Thank God it's a Monday! Welcome po sa August 23 edition ng The Stock Market Today. Sana po ay nasa mabuti tayong kalagayan. Kahit na tumataas ang bilang ng na-infect ng COVID, ay sana po ay safe po tayo. Ito po ang inyong lingkod, Benji Chodoro. Ako po ay isang retired bank officer na nagsimulang mag-invest sa Philippine stock market ng 2007, and I do this report daily, which I started August of last year. 1 year na po tayo. I also report the latest news on your favorite and most active stocks. Kung gusto niyo po ng content, iniimbitahan ko po kayo na mag-subscribe sa aking channel. At kung meron po kayong stocks in mind na gustong ipa-review, paki-comment lang po sa comment box at aking ipa-prioritize. Ang financial news po natin ay tungkol sa DMC. Kasama po ang ating financial headlines at ang resulta ng trading sa ating PSE ngayong araw, ika-13 ng Agosto, 2021. Dito lamang po sa The Stock Market Today. Umpisa na po natin sa ating headlines. Ano po? Ito po, galing po sa BDO Securities. Sa ating economic news, Department of Finance plans fiscal consolidation to reduce budget deficit. Okta, ECQ worked, COVID-19 spread slows. Pero kahapon po, 17,000 as of yesterday. Okta research has found that the implementation of ECQ from 6 to 20 August has slowed down. Okay, sige. We'll take that with a grain of salt. Average spot price, ito naman yung sectoral news, down 23%. Ito yung sa independent electricity market. And then we have also news on JFC and Double Dragon deal. Ito pong spot price is regarding electricity. So we'll be reviewing later on yung SMC, SCC, diba? AP, FGEN, and DMC, as part of the conglomerate also. And then JFC-DD Seal Partnership for Industrial REIT. Ito po yung Jollibee at Double Dragon. And RCR, ito po yung RL Commercial REIT na mayroong share offering at 645 apiece. And it will be listed in the PSE on September 14. At maganda po yung REIT. Tulad ko sinasabi ko sa inyo in the past few weeks, maganda po yung REIT dahil yung dividendo po niyan, by law, they have to give these dividends out based on the 90% of their income. Kung 90% po niyan will be given out as dividends as given by law, as provided for by law. Kaya po maganda mag-invest sa REITs, kasi this is probably the new preferred shares. Okay po. So let's now go to our main news. Ito po ay today lamang po. Ito po yung, let me get that sandali lang po. Let me get that. Okay, DMCI. The news on DMCI, which says DMCI Power investing in 3.5 billion in Masbate and Palawan. Siguro yan yung ibig sabihin Off-grid electricity supplier DMCI Power Corporation is spending around 3.5 billion to expand its generation capacity in an off-grid market. Around 2.7 billion will be used to construct a thermal power plant in Nara, Palawan, while 800 million will be spent on a hybrid diesel solar power plant in Kataingan, Masbate. The Palawan plant will have a capacity of 15 megawatts, while the Masbate plant will have a combined capacity of around 12 megawatts, 4 megawatts of which will come from solar energy. Okay. Target commercial operation of the 12 megawatt plant is first quarter of 2022, while the 15 megawatt is set to go online by the second quarter of 2023. These investments are in response to the government's mandate to accelerate the exploration, development, and utilization of renewable energy and indigenous fuel resources, thus decreasing our dependence on imported fuel, said DPC COO Antonio E. Gatdula Jr. The operation of the new thermal plant is also expected to lower cost of electricity in Palawan, which will reduce the subsidy paid by consumers. Once operational, the Palawan and Masbate power plants will increase the company's installed capacity in the missionary areas from 136.42 megawatts to 163.72 megawatts. DPC was established in 2006 to provide sufficient reliable electricity to areas that are not connected to the main transmission grid. Of its off-takers include electric cooperatives in Masbate, Palawan, and Oriental Mindoro. Okay, so that's our news on the MCI. So now let's take a look at the Philippine Stock Exchange and the Philippine Stock Exchange Index. Okay, the PSEI lost 41.55 points or 0.63% down to end at 6591.67. So if you'll see the formation of the candlesticks, so the second straight day na red na siya, and our indicators appear to be piercing through the candlesticks. So it appears to be moving sideways with RSI, well, neutral to bearish at 49. If we'll take a look at the market summary or market activity, 105 companies declined, 87 advanced, while 45 remained unchanged. The all-share index also declined by 0.31%, while only the industrials and the services advanced, while all the rest of the financial sectors are in the red. The losers was led by properties at 2.46%. As for the most active stocks, we will be reviewing once it figured in the news. So tingnan po natin si SCC, SMC, AP, FGEN, JFC, Double Dragon, DMC, and let's add APL. Okay, so let's take a look now at our first stock, Semirara. Okay, Semirara Mining, SEC, lost 52 centavos, 3.09% down. And our candlesticks appear to be bearish. So this appears to be touching the 50-day exponential moving average. Pero pagdating po dito sa ating short-term indicator, ay mukhang it's turning bearish. Kasi it's already crossing our candlesticks, which means that there appears to be a bearish trend, although this is just touching our 50-day exponential moving average. So I see a support here at our 50-day at this level. So 1620 to 1630 po ang support level ni SCC. So on the short term, it appears to be bearish. Pero let's see po in the coming days, kasi pagka bumaba pa po dito sa line na ito o dito sa 50-day EMA, ay maaring bearish na po ang ating trend. And then San Miguel, SMC appears to be moving sideways to bearish. Pero long term to medium term, bearish po siya. Pagdating sa short term, mukhang nagre-recover or nagko-consolidate po si San Miguel. Ano po? Kasi San Miguel, ang produkto niyan hindi lamang po food, beverage or beer. Kasama na po dyan yung ibang businesses nila like infrastructure and power. Kasi highly diversified na po itong si San Miguel, unlike before na food and beverage lang po siya. So it's at 112, gaining 50 centavos, pero it's still bearish. Yung income po niya ay, well, 343% up, which is good, or 12.4 billion peso income for the second quarter. Kaya po yung ating resistance po ni San Miguel ay nakikita ko po dito sa areang to. Yan po, 112 to 113 po yung ating resistance area. And then AP. Okay, so bullish po si Aboitiz Power, appears to be consolidating here. Pero mukhang nagpapahinga lang po dito yung kanyang consolidation with resistance this is at resistance level at 25.20 to 25.30 po ang kanyang resistance level. Pero yung ating indicators are under, which means that it is bullish. RSI gives that indication that it is bullish at 63.9 or almost 64. And then FGEN, puro power po ito, no? Okay, FGEN, naku, FGEN lost 60 centavos. Bearish po siya. All our indicators are above the candlesticks. And let's see, support level, nandito po. Ito pong area to, support level niya. So 2670 to 2680 po ang nearest support level ni First Gen. RSI is also bearish at 39, ano? 39 to 40. And then JFC. Okay, JFC appears to be just consolidating, moving sideways. So it gained 150 today from 195, ending at 195, opened at 193.50. Pero kung titingnan po ninyo, ay malaki na po yung, kasi ang baba po dyan before eh. Si GFC nasa 170 to 180 or 160 to 180 po yung kanyang range, ano po. Pero unti-unti po siyang tumaas until it settled to 195 with support here at this area, 186 to 187. Resistance is at this area at 215 to 216. And then Double Dragon. Yan, naku, Double Dragon is bearish. Nasa support area po itong si Double Dragon. Nasa 10 pesos ang kanyang support area. Ano po? Kasi pagka ganito po yung nakikita po nating forma ay market sentiment is not very good, no? Pababa po siya. At one time, it was oversold, no? From July 13 up to July or August 2, it was oversold. So abangan po natin, baka po siya to mag-rebound kasi pagka oversold po, may possible turnaround po yan. So in the meantime, this is the support level of Double Dragon at 10 pesos. And then, tignan po natin si DMC. Okay, bearish din po si DMC. Pero, bearish to sideways to bearish? No. It's sideways to bullish. As yung ating long term ay nasa ilalim pa rin po, mukhang nagko-correct lang po ito. Pero it appears to be piercing through. Ano po? So, nakita po natin, nagkaroon po ng volume dito, kaya nakita po natin yung succeeding candlesticks ay nag-zoom up. Pero, it is the third day already since August 19 that it has been moving down. In the meantime, the support level of DMC is nandito po sa area to. Nasa 5 to 6 pesos po ang support area niya, while the nearest resistance nandito po sa area nito, no? 620 to 630 ang kanyang support area. Then finally, we have APL. Ito nagkaroon po to ng follow-on offer sa kanyang stock, ano? And nakita niyo po, nandito po siya sa level na ito. Nasa 10.90 centavos ang kanyang support level, ano? Or sabihin natin nasa 10.30 centavos ang kanyang support level. Pero in the past 2 days, it has been moving up with volume. And nung tinitingnan ko yung news, actually, yung financials po nito is wala ninyo, gain or loss. Tama ang hula nyo, loss. Loss po yan. Kasi kung titingnan nyo po yung quarterly report, hindi po maganda ang quarterly report. Pero it appears that this stock, APL, ay merong nag-acquire sa kanya. Kaya tumataas po ang stock, ano po, and just a few days ago, nagkaroon siya ng offer, additional shares in the market. Ito po, Apollo Global, binago niya yung kanyang foreign ownership limit from 100% to 40%. So may bumibili po eh. JDVC, I think, is selling the shares kasi ito po yung 90% owned eh. This is the owner of Apollo Global, ano po? Mining holding company po ito or mining company, no? And yun po yung nakikita po natin dito, and kaya po ito tumataas ay meron pong foreign investor or local investor, hindi ko po alam. Kasi they changed the foreign ownership from 100% to 40%. So ibig sabihin po ay something is happening here in this company. Kaya po ganito po yung structure ng kanyang candlestick at meron pang volume. Yan po ang nakakita ko for Apollo Global, and it has been oversold the past few days, and now umaano na siya, nagzo-zoom up na siya with volume. It has had volume for the past 2 days. Yan po ang ating report sa stock market, August 23, 2021. Mag-ingat po kayo. Napakadelikado po ng ating panahon ngayon, lalo na po sa ating health. Health is wealth po. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagtangkilik at pagsubaybay hanggang sa muli. God bless and bye for now.